And now, your Fox 24 Local Weather Authority forecast.
We have some severe weather to talk about in parts of Pecos and Terrell counties. A severe thunderstorm warning moving off into the east. The severe thunderstorm is moving off to the east around 20 miles per hour with half-dollar size hail and locally damaging winds. It does seem that the storm is beginning to weaken, and within the next minute or so, I do think they'll expire this morning, but still a very strong thunderstorm. And take a look at Midland. We do see those dark skies where those storms are firing off right now. Here in the Tall City, current temperature 55 degrees, much cooler than 24 hours ago. A chance of rain even here in Midland and Odessa today, but a very low chance at that. Below normal temperatures for today, but warmer and drier conditions are on their way. Now, speaking of these storms, these clouds that we're seeing, again, we do notice that they are moving off into the north, into the east, near Ira Ann on Texas 349, moving off to the east-northeast. Again, please be careful out there. Over an inch of rainfall has fallen in some of these areas. It's good news for the drought situation, but not good news in terms of if you're going to be traveling for this morning commute. So please be careful. And it's all due to this sweeping cold front dividing the state of Texas in half. We do see that very clearly with cooler air and cloudy conditions on the backside with storms in between the warm air mass and the chillier air mass. 11 degrees cooler here in the Tall City compared to 24 hours ago. So we do notice colder air in the eastern basin. Temperatures not warming up too much, primarily in the 60s and lower 70s. High temperature 65 degrees, low temperature right around 51 degrees at midnight with a chance of isolated strong storms. Strong winds as well, but a little bit more in the way of sunshine later today. So yeah, temperatures as much as 15 to 20 degrees below normal for this time of year. Tracking those storms for you guys. Still possible this afternoon in the same areas, seeing it right now in parts of Pecos, Terrell counties, and even your Big Lake, Fort Stockton. Some storms could be popping up, but not as high of a chance here in Midland and Odessa. Much drier conditions basin-wide overnight. Low temperature right around 42 degrees. Seasonably chilly conditions. And yeah, jacket weather will be the big story tonight. So a cool down across the basin, and yeah, it's a bit chillier this morning. Widespread 50s this morning, widespread 60s this afternoon, so not warming up too much. Mid to upper 70s. That's where you have to see those temperatures if you want to go near the Rio Grande before cooling down tonight in the upper 30s and 40s. So yeah, a seasonably cold start for tomorrow morning. Make sure you guys have the jackets, but also make sure you guys have the t-shirts later tomorrow afternoon in the mid to upper 70s. Closer to normal, but still below normal for this time of year with still breezy conditions, but much more in the way of sunshine throughout the day. I do think the below normal trend will even continue as we head into Wednesday. High temperatures ranging from the upper 50s to the lower 80s over the next few days across the basin, but then widespread upper 80s, 90s, and even triple digits on Thursday and Friday with clearer skies, breezier conditions, and a return of fire potential later this week.